One of the questions I get most often is, do I need a will or do I need a trust? Let me take just a minute to go through the difference between a will and a trust and when you might want to use each one of those. Hi, I'm Gary, the founder of DeWitt and Daniels. People consider me their trusted estate planning guide. So first, a will. What is it? A will is basically a list of instructions that are used after you pass away for the court to use during probate to decide who gets what, when, how, and how much. That's it. On the other hand, a trust can be set up during your lifetime to protect assets while you're living and to pass them without going through probate after you're gone. One of the big advantages of trust is you can set rules on when things are given out, how much, and to who they're given out. So for example, let's say you have young children. You can say, hey, the trust is going to pay for your education. And if you get into a healthcare problem, it's going to pay for that. But you don't get the bulk of it until you're 30 years old. We've had some parents decide that that's 65. This is going to be their retirement. We've had some decide, hey, it's going to be an equal payments over 10 years. That's the beauty of it. You get to make those decisions and you're in control of those decisions. So when should you use a will-based plan versus a trust-based plan? Let me just say this. We don't do just a will here. When we do a will-based plan, what we do is actually more of a beneficiary plan, and the will is your safety net. There shouldn't be any need for the will or probate when we're done with that, but it's only for simple cases. Here's when you need a trust. First, you have children under 18. I would say children under 25. Give them a chance to grow up. Be ready to manage money. 2, you have a child with some kind of an addiction, whether that's alcohol, gambling, legal drugs, or illicit drugs. The trust can provide for them. It can make sure they have a place to live and food to eat without putting money directly in their pocket. You have children with special needs. Too many parents disinherit a child with special needs. There's no need. We can set up a trust that will hold their inheritance. It will not affect their public benefits. However, you still get the control of saying, when they are gone, here's who gets what's left in that trust. The 4th time is when you have complex rules on how you want to leave things. For example, I've got one right now where the man has a pretty good antique car collection. He wants each child to have their choice of 2. The rest are to be sold. And he doesn't want probate, and so we can do that. Now you got to remember, some of these children are still under 18, so that's the other reason we're using a trust in this case. So we would love to talk to you about your goals and what plan would work best for you. So you can click below, look in the comments, get in touch with us, and set up your free, no obligation consultation. There are no strings attached. And no hard sales during this meeting. So click below, get started, and remember, our appointments fill up fast, so you need to act fast. Thank you.